What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be playing some Happy Wheels. So yeah, I believe it's some online levels, so yeah, let's do this. Alright, what that says, so let's carry on. Whee! Alright then. Whee! Okay, that's oops, I accidentally pressed X. Yes. Look, I actually clicked off the level also. This is an extreme poser. How hard can this? Alright then. Well, that was not supposed to happen. Well, it did. Why isn't it setting them off? Oh jeez. There's a mine there. Who didn't tell me this? I'm gonna be getting my lawyer. That was no help. Okay. Okay, that's gonna get me. Wow. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. A watermelon. I love watermelon. Watermelon's the best. Yep, now we're on to purple. Alright then. Oh my, this isn't nice. This is not nice at all. Oh, Jesus, but no. Just why? Oh, whoa, okay, now this is getting cool. Yep, that's what you get to me. So you get being annoying. Whee! Oh no! Oh my god. Oh my. Am I gonna bleed out? Yeah, I bled out too fast. No, you can't leave the watermelon behind. No. No watermelon left behind. Only eaten crushed. Cause it needs to be eaten. No, no, no. There we are. Nom nom nom. That was very tasty. That was very, very tasty. That was the tastiest watermelon ever. Okay, wow. No, no. No. Let's just go down. I'm gonna stop pressing space now. Yep. Okay, let's do this. Oh no, I feel like, oh no. How does that do that boost thing? What does that do? Wow, we're at the end anyway now, so yeah. Let's hope we don't split. My body. Well, you can live today. Oh my. Oh no, no, no. Ah, I'm stuck. Yay! I won. Nice. What is this? What is this? That's an extremely loud, but you guys can't hear it, luckily. So yeah, you guys ears didn't just die. Well, I'm stuck. Be free, Timmy. Be free. You can be free now, Timmy. Escape. No sword throw. Let's do sword throw. Oh my god, these aren't swords. What the hell are these? Like massive toothpicks. Jeez. These are way too big. This doesn't help sword throw at all. I don't know what the person was thinking when they made this. You know what? Just no. Just no. I don't want to go away. Okay, just have to fall. Alright, that's not even a ball throw. I don't know what that is. Oh, people got lured into his dangerous forest. I'm good. Lols. Lols, yep, those lols. Place like that just stay still then, or what do I do? Is this a don't move? I'm not sure. I did not move at all, but alright. This is a don't move, let's see what this is. Whee! Alright, okay, you're in. Oh, jeez. Jesus. Well, this is made really well. Whoa, that was awesome. That was really awesome. And a foot brake. Oh, damn. His feet. His feet. That was my foot and his foot came off. Ouch, my foot. Jesus. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but you get MK10. That woman stole my donut. That woman deserves that. She stole my donut. I'm trees up. Yes! Got them all. They all same piece now. Up through yourself. Hold on. Oh, I see. But where do I throw myself? Do I throw myself this way? Ah, oh, damn, I got not bad. It's not good enough. Yeah, this is the one. No, that was worse than not bad. That was worse than bad. That was worse than good. That was worse than anything. Wait till the spin gets the hang of it. Just wait. Bam! Got new, got not bad, got pro. Yeah, that's all I ever wanted. Minefield challenge. It's down here. Oh. Oh! Since I did the wrecking balls not hurt you when they hit you in the face. That's, oh my god. I'm going flying. I'm flying. I reckon. I think I complete it. Oh Jesus. Okay, that's extreme. No. What? That said danger over here. But that's not even near where I was supposed to go, that one. He made the level a bit wrong because he made it a different turn. It's a just easy level, very easy level it says. Okay, let's not do that. I didn't even make. Okay, I'm just not gonna flip. I can't even make. Okay, I will try to do the backflip again because that at least it made it a little bit close. Yes. Oh my god, that was a winning one as well. God damn it. I'm ending this video, but this. Yes, finally. Alright then. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And let's end it with a bit of I've got the great idea. Paint. Oh, paint. Do you know who likes paint? Me. Do you know who's about to use some paint? Me. Who's about to make the weirdest paint ever? Me. Yep. These are its eyes. This is its mouth. Bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye.